Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Ford F150 headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and your replacement bulb. Ensure your truck is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. Then, open the hood to prepare for accessing the headlight assembly. This initial setup ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now, let's remove the headlight assembly. You will find two retaining bolts located on the top of the headlight unit. Use your 10mm socket and ratchet to carefully loosen and remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should slide out of its mounting clips, giving you full access to the bulbs. With the assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Take your new bulb, avoiding touching the glass, and insert it into the housing. Twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place, ensuring a proper fit. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting clips until it sits flush. Reinstall the two 10mm retaining bolts and tighten them securely. Before closing the hood, turn on your Ford F150's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.